Today I'm going to show you how to easily make these swirls, and you can customize them to create the effect that you want. It's pretty easy and it only takes a couple steps. So let's create a new canvas. So Control N, and I'm just going to leave it on A4 on landscape and click OK. Next, just go to the spiral tool. Now with the spiral tool, if we click and drag and press the up and down arrow keys, we can increase the spiral or make it less. Around here is good. I'm going to create 2 spirals, and this one I'll just make a little bit less. Now we need to create some brushes. To do this, just create a circle, and I'll make it orange, and I'll remove the stroke. I'll create a copy of this. Now if we just select the selection tool, I can select anchor points like this top one, click, hold down shift and drag that up, and I'll do the same for this one. I'll just use the bottom and I'll click and drag that out. Now depending on what these shapes are will depend on what the swirls will turn out to be like. So if I select this shape and convert this anchor point to a corner, oops, we will get a different effect. We'll get it ending in a nice sharp fashion rather than a rounded end. Now to create a brush, we just click on the object and drag it into the brushes panel. We want to create this to an art brush, so select art brush and click OK. Now the direction will also determine whether it ends sharp or starts off sharp. I'm just going to leave the direction going down. You can play around to see what works best for yours. And I'm going to drag this one into, create an art brush, and I'm going to leave it, actually I might make this direction going up. Click OK. Now to apply these to the spirals, just select it and click. And as you can tell, it starts off nice and sharp and then it ends with that rounded look. If we use the same one, we're going to get that same effect, but if I click on this one, you will see it ends rounded instead of nice and sharp. You don't have to just do these 2 shapes, you can do all sorts of shapes. You can be as creative as you want to see what the outcome will be. Don't forget you can also change the stroke, so for this one I might make it 1.25 to make the spiral a lot smaller. Once I've got something I like, I tend to expand the appearance, so when I do adjust it, as you can see, it does change. So by expanding it, when we change the size, you'll see it will just stay the same. So that's how you create some swirls inside of Illustrator. It's quite easy, a couple steps, and you can pretty much go crazy with this. You can create all sorts of shapes. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.